In the world of gardening and agriculture, the quest for profitability often leads us to the most rewarding crops we can cultivate. Today, we're diving into the top 5 most profitable vegetables you can grow year-round, ensuring that your efforts yield a bountiful harvest no matter the season. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or a backyard gardener, these high-demand crops will not only thrive in various climates, but also offer you a sustainable income stream throughout the year. First on our list is the ever-popular leafy greens, specifically varieties like kale, spinach, and Swiss chard. These vegetables are not only nutrient-dense, but also incredibly versatile in the kitchen, making them a staple in many households. Leafy greens grow quickly, with some varieties ready for harvest in as little as 30 days, allowing for multiple harvests throughout the year. They thrive in cooler temperatures, which means you can plant them in early spring and again in late summer for a fall harvest. With the rise of health-conscious consumers seeking fresh, organic produce, the demand for leafy greens remains high. Plus, they can be sold fresh at farmers markets, through community-supported agriculture, CSA programs, or even to local restaurants looking for fresh ingredients. Next up, we have tomatoes, a quintessential vegetable that has earned its place in home gardens and commercial farms alike. Tomatoes are incredibly popular, with countless varieties that cater to different tastes and culinary applications. From juicy heirlooms to sweet cherry tomatoes, the options are endless. They require a bit more care than leafy greens, needing warmth and sunlight, but the payoff is worth it. With proper planning, you can stagger your planting to ensure a continuous supply throughout the growing season. Additionally, tomatoes can be preserved in various forms, such as sauces or canned goods, allowing you to extend their marketability beyond the growing season. The demand for local, organic tomatoes is ever present, making them a lucrative option for any gardener looking to maximize their profits. The third vegetable on our list is bell peppers. These colorful, crunchy delights are not only visually appealing, but also packed with vitamins and minerals. Bell peppers are relatively easy to grow and can be cultivated in a variety of climates, making them a great choice for year-round production. They thrive in warm weather, but can also be grown in greenhouses during the colder months. The key to maximizing their profitability lies in offering a diverse range of colors: red, yellow, green, and even purple. Consumers are often willing to pay a premium for organic, locally grown bell peppers, especially if they can find unique varieties. With their versatility in dishes ranging from salads to stir-fries, bell peppers are always in demand, making them a smart addition to your garden. Moving on to our fourth pick, we have carrots. These root vegetables are not only a favorite among children, but also a staple in many kitchens. Carrots are relatively low maintenance and can be sown directly into the ground, making them an excellent choice for beginner gardeners. They can be harvested at various stages, allowing you to sell them as baby carrots or full-sized ones. Carrots thrive in cooler weather, which means you can plant them in early spring or late summer for a fall harvest. They store well, meaning you can sell them fresh for several months after harvest, or even process them into juices or baby food for added revenue. The demand for fresh, organic carrots continues to grow, especially among health-conscious consumers, making them a profitable choice for any gardener. Last but certainly not least, we have herbs, particularly basil, cilantro, and parsley. While they may not be vegetables in the strictest sense, herbs play a crucial role in culinary applications and are in high demand year-round. Fresh herbs can dramatically enhance the flavor of dishes, and as more people turn to home cooking, the demand for fresh herbs has soared. Herbs are relatively easy to grow, requiring minimal space and resources. They can be grown in pots, raised beds, or even indoors, making them accessible to everyone, regardless of their gardening experience. The quick turnaround time for herbs, often ready for harvest in just a few weeks, means you can reap rewards sooner than with other crops. Selling fresh herbs at local markets or to restaurants can be incredibly profitable, especially if you focus on organic varieties. Now that we've covered our top 5 most profitable vegetables, let's explore some tips and strategies for successfully growing these crops year-round. First and foremost, understanding your local climate and growing conditions is essential. Some vegetables may thrive better in certain regions, so it's crucial to choose varieties that are well suited to your area. Additionally, investing in quality seeds and soil can make a significant difference in your yields and overall profitability. Consider implementing crop rotation and companion planting techniques to maximize your garden's productivity. These practices not only help maintain soil health, but also reduce pest issues, ensuring that your crops remain healthy and robust. Using season extension techniques such as row covers or cold frames can also allow you to grow these vegetables beyond their typical growing seasons. Marketing your produce effectively is just as important as growing it. Establishing a strong presence at local farmers markets, creating an engaging online presence, and building relationships with local restaurants can help you reach a wider audience. Offering samples, sharing recipes, and educating consumers about the benefits of your crops can also entice them to choose your produce over store-bought options. In conclusion, growing these top 5 most profitable vegetables year-round can provide you with a sustainable income while allowing you to connect with your community and promote healthier eating habits. Leafy greens, tomatoes, bell peppers, carrots, and herbs are all high-demand crops that can thrive in various conditions, making them excellent choices for any gardener looking to maximize their profits. With careful planning, dedication, and a little creativity, you can turn your passion for gardening into a profitable venture that lasts throughout the seasons. Happy gardening!